not only do we have bodies, but we have an energy field. And boy, oh boy, did I feel the energy field of somebody one of these days. When I remember about 20 years ago, I was so angry at a friend. I wanted to be part of her child's birthday party, and she wanted me to do the videotaping of the birthday party, because I always liked tech. And I really didn't want to videotape. I wanted to just enjoy the party, and I felt like she was using me. And I remember getting ready to walk over to her and say, "You're just using me. I don't want to videotape this party." And I ran right into her energy field bubble. Boop. That was a sacred space. It was her son's birthday party. I might have been 2 years old. And I tell you, it felt like a spaceship. You know, the spaceships that we see up in the sky. You know, if you've ever seen a spaceship up in the sky, and what you might feel like it was like glass. It felt like, if I could feel it, it felt like it could have been glass, like, but I could, even though I didn't see it, my ability to feel it, because I'm clairsentient, I could, with my feeling, you know, if you were blind, you could touch things. Even when you close your eyes, I'm sorry, you don't have to be blind, but if you touch things, you can get a sense of what the shape of it is. I'm going, oh my God, it was literally oval shaped, and it felt like it was almost glass. It was a very dense glass, like bulletproof glass. I go, oh wow. I said, and I backed right up. And not only did I feel her energy field, but I got a shock when I touched it. It was like this. I went, interesting. Now, the reverse has happened to me many, many times, because when you do a lot of healing and light work, sometimes you can attract people that want you to stop doing that. And so they meet my bubble, and I go, wow, there are spiritual laws. And I have crossed a couple of, out of ignorance. I tried to help a child one time who was starting to speak in tongues. And I didn't realize I had to ask the parents' permission first. I didn't know early on. I was just trying to help her. I said, oh my gosh, she's with, and I started to talk to her without asking the parents first. And so, because I crossed their line, they were able to cross my line. And I got a kind of a spiritual repercussion from the father, but he met my bubble. It was like, and I'm laying in bed, and he's trying to get to me all night long. And I'm like, in my bubble in bed, I'm going, oh wow, I have a bubble too. But we all have bubbles. We are protected. We are protected. I'm going, they were banging on that, him and a bunch of his cronies. They were banging on that bubble all night. And I'm going, oh my goodness, this is amazing. So I'm protected. My friend was protected. And so are you. We're all protected. We have this amazing bubble of light around us.